Where's your phone? Where's your phone? Collect her number now. Collect her number. Sharp. Collect her number. Yeah. Follow him. Something is about to happen. Still, they don't connect her. See, we have single people here. Single guys, can you wave? Make some noise! People, when I can use I see again. Hey, wait. I love that song. I want you to use your hand, go inside this crowd, look, and bring the person that you like that is single. Bring the person and come here. Go inside. The guys, you can toast her anyhow you want to do it for her to choose you. All right? So she's going around now. Somebody is bringing money. Somebody is bringing. Capture this man. He's bringing money. Put her for you. You want to follow him? Follow him. Something is about to happen. Still, they don't connect her. Still gets this. Wahala. We are going. For this one I was paying so I have nobody. That's him. Which town? And yes. If you leave in the morning, before 2 hours, you don't reach. Go closer. Okay, wait. Now you go tired today. This people prepare you come. Now, what's the journey time? We don't need your own. Move closer. We don't need your own. Move closer. Hold on. Now wait. What do you do for a living?
I'm a solar dealer.
My brother, solar her. Move closer. Hey, we don't need it. You don't need to work. Now you like him, Abi? Where's your phone? Collect her number now. Sharp. Collect her number. Yeah. Something is about to happen. Wait. Chairman don't they come out. I mean, one because the chairman will approve. Chairman, show us your approval. Chairman won't show us the approval. Chairman, too much money. Traditional Prime Minister, no commando. That is approval from the chairman that this marriage will work. This relationship will work. Till marriage, I mean? No, then go tell us. Then go call us. Approve! Make some noise from the chairman! Make some noise. Alright, do you want to see them dance? Do you want to see them dance? If you want to see them dance, say yeah.